Welcome to our channel. Today we how to change NAT type on Xbox, quick tip step by step clearly. To change the NAT type on your Xbox, start by accessing your router settings. Open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, enter your router's IP address. Log in to your router using your credentials. Look for the section labeled Port Forwarding or Virtual Server. Add a new port forwarding rule. Input your Xbox's IP address. Set the port range to 3074 for Xbox Live. Select both the TCP and UDP protocols. Save the changes in your router settings. Next, ensure your Xbox is set to a static IP address. Go to Settings on your Xbox. Navigate to Network and select Network Settings. Choose Advanced Settings and take note of your current IP address. Return to the network settings and select IP settings. Choose Manual and enter the IP address information. Now, restart your Xbox to apply the settings. Once the console restarts, go back to Network Settings. Check the NAT type in the Network Settings menu. If it shows open, you have successfully changed your NAT type. For a strict or moderate NAT type, double-check your router's port forwarding settings. You can also try enabling UPnP on your router for better connectivity. After adjusting settings, remember to restart both your router and Xbox. Finally, test your multiplayer connection and enjoy gaming. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.